The name for our place is the Waitematā in Moana. That is the biggest sea area. Shining the mata is the obsidian. So the Waitematā shines like the obsidian.
Yeah, so this project in Ōkahu Bay really is around restoring the mauri of Ōkahu Bay.
Mauri for me is bringing people back into the water, being able to swim in the water, biodiversity. So mauri is about life force. So clean water means lots of fish, lots of biodiversity, and our young people in there swimming every day.
I think what motivates all of us in this project is just to make the ocean a better place, both for the animals that live in it, but also for us as humans that live around it and love it so much.
And this project is just a continuation of the wider project that was started back in 2012 by some of our whānau and our late sister, Rochelle Kahui McConnell.
1914, the photo on the left-hand side, is the beginning of the Willing desecration. That is the grounding of the sewer line that came from the industry and the hospitals of Auckland.
The pipe that came through here with sewerage devastated our fishing grounds and our grounds for collecting kai moana.
This is what we are coming to right, the wrongs.
And the aim is to land kūtai or mussels onto those shells to help filter and restore the mauri to our bay.
So today we've got the last 20 tonne of mussels coming into Ōkahu Bay. Really, really exciting day to get them in the water.
So happy to be here. Mahi rangatira, kaupapa nui. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou.
Yeah, this is a really interesting and unique project because it's driven so much by Ngāti Whātua themselves. So we've been brought on board to try and help, which is our goal in life. But because it's so community and iwi driven for this local area, it's been really interesting because we can learn a lot about the history, which has been really interesting and also useful for us because learning about what's happened in the past makes us then try and understand what we can do to then bring this area to the future, to a better future. So mussels, kūtai in particular, are a really cool species because we call them a keystone species or an ecosystem engineer. So they really help the whole system to work. And so by just putting down the kūtai, it's not just the kūtai, it's all these other animals that then get associated with the kūtai. They live on them, they eat them, they live underneath them in the sediment.
And they're all like little pumps, they're filter feeders. They're going like this, chunk, 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 chunks. And what they're doing is they're sucking in water, looking for phytoplankton to get food out. And what that means is that they're cleaning the water.
It's really a large-scale experiment which will help us understand how to restore the mussel beds at scale.
We can get cleaner water, clearer water, lots of new species coming back, lots of other species coming back bigger. So things like snapper, for example, they come back better because they can use these beds for nurseries.
You know, when you look at this bed on its own, it might have a small impact or a small local impact, but if we get lots of them together out throughout the whole Hauraki Gulf, you've got that cumulative action.
Seeing bums in the air and hands in the sand collecting kai moana, you know, that would be a beautiful health indicator. And I would love to think that within my time we will see that.
In our karakia, we acknowledge again those who have passed on, those who have contributed to the kaupapa.
So many people have put time into this project and they are not here. And it's like our duty to honour those who have put in all those years for this and to honour our people, and for those who lay in our urupa, our local urupa, it's our duty. So my heart is warmed that my mokopuna will see our example for their future too.